Hello, this is Washobi. This will be the final unboxing for 2019. As you can see here, I got a very big box, close to over a foot in length, and so on. And this is Hamilton. Okay, this is Hamilton. So let me do the unboxing. The main watch box itself, signed top and also at the bottom. There's a couple of documentation here because there's a receipt. Ta-da! This is what I got myself. The American Classic Chrono Matic 50 limited edition timepiece chronograph. I think this is the quick instruction. The manual itself. Let's put it all away. Then let's go and focus on the main watch box itself. Right? Okay, let's put it aside. The main watch box. So, as I said, nice. This is not real leather, fox leather, fob, but looks nice. Okay, let me flip it open. Wow, it is a big box. What do I get with the big box? The watch, of course. I think this is the warranty, and that's it. There's nothing else. 2 years international warranty, and the watch box and the watch itself. I think the MSRP in Malaysia is about 10,050 ringgit. So this is the watch itself. Still covered in plastic. I think this is a limited edition timepiece. Let me see what number did I got. I got number 0112. This is what I got. I got 0112 out of 1,972 pieces worldwide. That is the number. Let me get the plastic out so at least you can see the watch properly. Oops, I had a little accident with the camera. It's very difficult trying to get the plastic out, but let me see. Let me cut off a sec. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, got the plastic out. So this is how it looks like. Chronograph, sub-second here, the 30-minute counter here. It has an internal bezel for countdown timer and also a tachymeter. The normal chronograph pushes are left on the right, crown to adjust the time, and this one is to adjust the date. Okay, let me put it on my wrist and I show you how it looks like. Wrist shot of the watch I'm wearing today. It looks like actually not that bad. Some people say it's a bit too big, but yeah, it's a bit thick, but I think it really looks good on my 6. And I only have a 6 and 3/4 inch wrist. Looks okay. Anyway, like the channel, I will do a review, a full written review on this watch. Please go to my blog, watchhobby.blogspot.com. Bye.